Jelena. Are you ready to learn something fun today? Excellent! So today we're learning about the letter S making a Z sound. So the letter S is a consonant and it makes the sound S, but sometimes it can make the sound Z. Excellent. So there is no rule that says when the letter S makes the sound Z. So we just have to listen for it when we hear it or read it in a word. Now, here are some examples where the letter S is a plural suffix and makes the sound Z. Okay? Now, our first example is, what is this? What are those? These are babies. Excellent. Babies. Very good. Now, let's say this word one more time, okay? Babies. Excellent. So in this example, we can hear the sound Z at the end because the words are in plural. Babies. Excellent. Our next example is, what are these? These are trees. Excellent. These are trees. In this word, the letter S at the end is pronounced as Z. Trees. Excellent. Our next example is, this is a fruit. What kind of fruit is this? What are these? These are pears. Excellent. These are pears. Now, let's say this word one more time, okay? Pears. Excellent. So in this example, we can hear the sound Z at the end because the words are in plural. Pears. Excellent. Now, can you try to read the next example? What are these? These are bees. Excellent. Very good. So these are bees. Very good. So in this example, the final letter S is pronounced as Z. Bees. Excellent. Now let's look at some singular words in which the letter S makes the Z sound. So our first example is, what is this? This is poison. This is poison. Very good. Let's say that word one more time. Poison. Excellent. In this word, the letter S makes the Z sound. Okay? So poison. Very good. Our next example is, what kind of flower is this? What kind of flower is this? What do you think? This is a rose. Excellent. This is a rose. So in this word, the letter S makes the Z sound. Rose. Very good. Our next example is result. Now let's say that word one more time, okay? Result. Very good. So again, in this word, the letter S makes the Z sound. Result. Excellent. Now, can you try to read the next example? Excellent. So music. Very good. Music. Now, let's say that word one more time, okay? Music. Excellent. Now let's look at some example sentences. Mom bought 2 pears. Very good. So mom bought 2 pears. So in this word, we can hear the sound z at the end of the word because this word is in plural. Okay? Pears. Excellent. Our next example sentence is I am afraid of who? I am afraid of bees. I am afraid of bees. Excellent. So in this word, we can hear the sound z at the end because this word is in plural. Now let's say this word one more time, okay? Bees. Excellent. Our next example sentence is she got a... What did she get? She got a rose. Excellent. So she got a rose. Perfect. So this is a singular word here, but the letter S is pronounced as Z. Rose. Excellent. Our next example sentence is, what is the result of the game? What is the result of the game? In this word, result, the S makes the Z sound here. Result. Excellent. Now, can you try to read the next example sentence? Yes, very good. Put on some music. Very good. Put on some music. Excellent. So this is a singular word, but the letter S here is pronounced as Z. Music. Excellent. Now remember, the letter S can sometimes sound like the letter Z when you're sounding out a word. Thank you very much and see you next time.